different states, more than one state, so the division of a river water may turn out to be a cause, whether it has to be belong to the one state or the two states. But the river flows to different by covering the two or three states, so it has to be divided among those states. So when the Kaveri, for example, for the Kaveri river water dispute is one such dispute occurred between the states of two states, that is Karnataka and the Tamil Nadu. So the Kaveri river flows through the states of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. When the conflict arises that whether the the water has to be provided to the Tamil Nadu or not. So both the states have built dams on the river for the irrigation purpose, for the agricultural activities, to carry on the agricultural activities. So both the states needs the water. So, however, the dam of the Tamil Nadu could only be filled when the water is released from the Karnataka. So, the conflict or the dispute which occurred when Tamil Nadu asked for the get to water released from the Karnataka did not provide the approval. So, did not agree for the demand what was appealed by the Tamil Nadu. Next, due to the scarcity of water, when the Karnataka itself facing the scarcity or the problem of water, so for the drinking, for the agricultural activities and some other active generating of electricity, all those needs they have to fulfill. When they are facing the scarcity, when how can they provide the river Kaveri water to the Tamil Nadu? In such time, the government provided a good solution, that is distribution of water between the states. In our country, the Constitution of India has laid down various provisions or the rules and regulations to solve such conflicts or the disappointment which occurs in the society. So, students, the government and the citizens of the country are supposed to follow the same rules and regulation when it comes to the various conflicts which arises, and when the difference of opinion arises in not only an individual life but even the public life and even the states matters and the countries matter, they say. So students, in order to resolve the conflicts or the differences of opinion, when it is appealed to the government in front of kept in the front of the government, they have to provide proper solution. Even if the when the government fails, the Supreme Court can provide the proper justice and people has to accept it, as it should be equality and justice. So equality refers to the fact of being equal in rights, advantages, etc. So in a democratic country, equality refers to the providing equal rights, advantages, opportunities, respect, due respect, and everything, treating everyone as equal irrespective of caste, religion, race, education, everything, background, family background, region where they have born and brought up. So all this keeping aside, they have to get the equal rights in each and every matter which are related to that particular country or a citizen who belongs to that particular country in a democratic rule. So when a people is not treated equally, they can appeal to the court and they can get the justice without any hesitation. So in India, our Constitution of India has provided various provisions or the rules has been provided in order to get equality in each and every matter. In such that case, in order to provide equality, it has been removed the untouchability. Untouchability was one of the major cause which has occurred in the society in the earlier. So what they have made due to this untouchability, there were many quarrels, conflicts, then difference of opinion, and they used to treat the people like animals as slaveries and all these things. So due to this, what the constitution has done, the untouchability has been removed. No one should treat the other peoples as untouchables. This concept was removed by the law. Not only their strict punishment against who are going to treat other person as untouchables, but there are also various provisions that provide equal opportunities for such kind of people. The higher status of people will treat the poor people as untouchable. So even the lower level or the lower status people has to get the education, employment, housing facilities, water facilities, all the basic needs of the people has to be provided. This has been stated in our constitution. There should not be any discrimination, prejudice, stereotype, the caste discrimination, any treating the person disrespectfully. So all these things should be avoided, they say. So students, basically our constitution as main intention is to provide equality to all the people and treat every citizens as a human being in the eyes of law, they say. Even in case of women and children's education, they are telling that even the woman is the part of our society, she has to get equal rights as men. There should not be any stereotype. They should not treat differences between the woman and woman as well. So in order to, so dear students, in order to provide and treat everyone equally, it may be men, women, child, old age people, whoever it may be, should treat equally. And they should, whoever is being uh, got injustice, they can appeal to the court without any hesitations. And even without any mercy, the church, the Supreme Court is going to give the equal justice to the concerned person. And even in the society, the women and the children should provide their proper um, their opportunities and their rights and their basic rights. So in order to treat men and women in equally, even the wages has been improved in case of wages, education, employment opportunities and education opportunities. In each and every field, women has been given the opportunities in order to upgrade herself, and in order to treat the women are equal to the men concept has been brought out by our constitutions. So in today's class, what we learned is whenever the conflict is going to arise in the society, how it has to be solved, and in order to solve it, how the equality and justice plays a important role, that we have studied in this today's class. In the next class, there is a case study related to this topic. We'll be studying in the next class. Thank you.